Hello, good people. How are you doing today? Dominic here, and welcome to my healthy talk. So, today, briefly, I want to say something. I want to talk about a condition called hemoptysis. Hemoptysis basically means coughing blood. This means coughing blood from your lungs. So, basically, this is a condition that can be due to different conditions, but I want to mention around 10 main causes of hemoptysis. There could be very many other causes, but I want to mention just some few causes for this. So one is what we call COPD. COPD is abbreviation for chronic obstructive disease. So this is a condition that basically can cause coughing blood. Number two is what we call cystic fibrosis. I may not explain all of them, but I'm just going to mention the main causes. Number three is what we call a foreign body in the chest. Number four could be lung abscess. Number five could be lung cancer. Number six could be what we call mitral valve stenosis. That is a heart-related condition. Number seven could be what we call pneumonia, very common main cause of hemoptysis. Number eight could be what we call tuberculosis, that is pulmonary tuberculosis. Number nine could be trauma to the chest. For example, if you get an accident and you get injury to the chest, you could be having hemoptysis. And then lastly, pulmonary embolism, that is a blood clot into the chest cavity or into the pulmonary system. So those are the 10 main causes of coughing out blood. There could be other more causes, but those are the main causes. Thank you for listening. If you happen to have any of those, or rather having a symptom of coughing blood, make sure you see your doctor. Possibly there could be some tests which may need to be done, including chest x-ray or even chest CT scan, so that to ascertain what could be the main cause. Thank you, and may God bless you. As I always say, health is wealth. Know your health and keep safe. Keep on following my page, keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel, and keep on following me on TikTok for more healthy tips. Thank you, and may God bless you.